fellow adventurers of flavor and seekers of serenity. Today, we embark on a culinary odyssey that transcends taste and transports you to the sun-kissed realms of paradise. Join us as we unravel the enigma of the internationally acclaimed masterpiece, the coconut water with zesty lemon infusion. From sourcing the freshest ingredients to the symphonic harmony of flavors, prepare to be captivated by an epic tale of taste. The quest for ingredients harvesting nature's bounty. Our journey begins with the selection of the finest ingredients. Seek out young coconuts, reservoirs of nature's hydration, and sun-drenched lemons that embody the essence of brightness. These elements form the essence of our culinary masterpiece. Unlocking nature's secrets, the ritual of opening coconuts. Embarking on the mystical process of unlocking the coconut's secrets requires finesse and reverence. With a practiced hand or a trusted coconut opener, we reveal the life-affirming liquid within. Essence of tropical paradise, pure coconut water. Behold, the nectar of the tropics, coconut water. A sip transports you to the heart of paradise, its purity and rejuvenation coursing through your veins like an ethereal elixir. A citrus symphony extracting sunshine from lemons. To enhance our masterpiece, we turn to the invigorating lemon. Each squeeze unleashes a burst of sunshine, infusing the elixir with a tangy vibrancy. The dance of flavors crafting the perfect fusion. As the elements converge, they embark on a dance of flavors, a tapestry of taste that paints a portrait of paradise with every sip. The visual symphony aesthetics in presentation. Just as the sun paints the sky with vibrant hues, our presentation mirrors nature's artistry. The liquid ballet into the glass mirrors the cascading waterfalls of a tropical haven. A culinary awakening savoring the fusion. With each sip, a symphony of sensations unfolds. The delicate sweetness of coconut water intertwines with the vivacious lemon, evoking a serenade that resonates with the soul. Beyond flavor, a celebration of well-being. Beyond flavor, this elixir is a celebration of well-being. Coconut water hydrates with its natural electrolytes, while lemon's vitamin C breathes life into immunity. A holistic embrace of nourishment. A global phenomenon uniting palates worldwide. As we conclude this culinary odyssey, remember that this is more than a recipe. It's a global phenomenon. If this adventure has ignited your passion for flavors, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Until our next exploration of taste, may your days be graced with the allure of paradise. As we draw this epic journey to a close, remember that this experience is more than a recipe. It's a connection to the essence of nature and the power of flavors. If this voyage has ignited your passion for the culinary arts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us in the comments below. Until our paths cross again, may your days be seasoned with curiosity and the joy of flavors.